Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place if we can just find.
We are once again in Bangpoo Nature Education Center. As you can see, Bangpoo Nature Education Center. So we will be studying birds this time. Yung mga ibon dito, mga ibon na makikita dito later, i-feature natin. We've been here last year about last year. Ito yung mga community service and special activities. Parang observatory to dito eh. Ito maganda. Dapat sana nandito si TYL at saka si NJ Cambronero. May drone pala dito. Pwede sa drone. Yan. Pwede sa drone. Bangpoo Nature Education Center. So maganda. Ito ang ganda oh. Recreation Center, fitness center, parang ganun na din. Mga mangrove, magtatanim sila ng mangrove. So this is a project of the Queen Sirikit, yung mother ng king ngayon. Okay. So this is the proof. Bangpoo Nature Education Center commemorates the 72nd anniversary of Her Majesty Queen Sirikit. So ito yung palibot sa labas ng recreation center. And papasok tayo dito. Papasok tayo guys. Ito yung sa harap. Ito sa harap. Papasok tayo. And makikita na natin ang mga birds.
เปล่าเราฮะนั่นของฉันน่ะ
Ganda. Ganda ng mga ibon. See them? Maganda, hard form. Hard form. Hard form yung mga ibon. Hyperlapse iris.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can. Surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart like you do. And there's no more fears left in me. I can see you light my way, and you're always near. There's nowhere I could be. All I need is you. Feels like I can make it more than I deserve. You gave all to me so I can come closer to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me.